Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the owner of Houston Window Experts, and today we're making a video about sound reduction windows. And we get a lot of requests for soundproof windows, is what people like to call them, soundproof windows. There really is no such thing as a soundproof window, at least not one that I've seen, but there are some sound reduction windows. Now, today I'm going to show you this window. It's called the AMSCO, that's the brand name, AMSCO. And this window is what we would call an STC rated window. It means sound transmission class rated window. So just like you can measure miles per gallon, MPG, on a car to determine which car is going to give you the best performance on mileage, you can actually measure sound transmission on windows. They're tested in laboratories to see how well will they work. So just so you kind of get an idea, it's a scale of 0 to 100. 0 meaning that there's nothing between the sound source, like the neighbor's dog, and your ears, right? Imagine you just took the window out of your house. That would be a 0. A 100 would be the complete absence of any sound transmission whatsoever. Now, we don't have that. I guess you'd have to go to outer space or someplace to find the no transmission of sound. But to kind of give you as a reference point, I'm gonna pick the number 50 right here, just kind of right down the middle. Hopefully I'm in the middle. That is a STC 50. And so you know what a 50 sounds like. A 50 is equivalent to having an 8-inch center block wall where your window exists today. That's pretty stout. So if you could get an 8-inch wall instead of a window, you'd be at an STC 50, and that would be pretty cool. You'd say, wow, that really helps a lot. Now, if today you have single pane aluminum windows in your house, they're typically somewhere around an STC 24 to 25. And that would be a single pane. Okay, I'm going to put SP for single pane windows. Now, that's when they were installed originally. That's when the caulking still was working. That's when the glass itself wasn't rattling every time you open and close the door in that same room. So that's, in some ways, could be a high marker. Maybe it's even lower than that today. A good double pane window is going to be at about an STC 28. And that's a double pane. Now, you think to yourself, wow, Jeff, 24 to 28, I don't know if that's much improvement. So let me set this up for you so you understand how it works. So every time you go plus or minus 10 points, right? That equals a 50% change in the amount of sound that comes through that window. So if I went from a 24 to a 34, for example, that's 10 points. That would be a 50% reduction in the sound of window. If I went from a 34 to a 44, that's not 100% sound reduction, right? That's 50% of what the 34 used to be. So you understand how that works. And also, if I could draw this on a line showing how difficult it is, it actually looks more like this, right? It gets harder and harder and harder and harder to achieve those numbers as you go. So going from a 24 to a 28 may not seem like a lot, but this is about a 30%, 25 to 30% reduction in sound over a single pane window. Now, it actually proves to be even better than that in real life. And the reason I know that is because I hear it from my clients all the time. Not only is the 28 going to be a better sound reduction than a 24, but when we install the window, we're going to be putting a foam barrier. We inject this closed cell foam all the way around the perimeter of the window. So not only is the window doing its job well, but even the sound that would normally come in around the edges of the window is also blocked out. So that's an important factor there. So that's double pane. Now, they do have some other options, and I'm going to call this OG, not like OG, but OG as in offset glass. And with offset glass, you can get about a 33, and here's kind of what's cool about that. This same window at a 28 can be upgraded to a 33 for about 10% of the cost of the window. Not much price increase, because this STC chart, just like it goes higher, so does the dollar chart. I mean, the dollars go higher and higher and higher because this is much harder to attain. Now, the next step up is what we call a laminate piece of glass. And that's like what you have on your car windshield. It's actually, we go to 3 pieces of glass, okay? The outside pieces, there's 2 of them that have a PVB liner in the middle. Do you remember the water beds? Are you old enough to remember a water bed? Do You know that waterbed material, that plastic that waterbeds are made out of? It's really strong, tough. Basically, they have a clear sheet of that, a piece of glass, another piece of glass, and they put them in an oven together. So it becomes one thicker piece of glass. So a laminated piece of glass can get you to about a 35 STC, which is pretty good because now you've actually got a good full 50% sound reduction in addition to the quality installation that goes with it. Which, by the way, time out, we should mention. You get a good laminated glass window and a bad installer, it's not going to work. I mean, half the job is at the factory, the other half of the job's out at your house, right? So you really need somebody who's qualified, especially when you start spending more money for that. Laminated glass does make a big bump up. It's not a 10%, it's like a 50% bump. A lot more money involved there. There is one benefit I want to point out about laminated glass though. It's also called keep-safe glass in my industry, which means that it's harder for somebody to break into your house. You watch those videos where a guy takes a crowbar and he's smashing on a window and smashing and smashing. So this window will break, but you can't just walk through the window. You can't just smash it and walk through. You have to really, really work at it. It gives you time to get the police involved. Now, this is where the regular windows with regular window frames end. From here out, you're going to have to go to a very special window, and that's the window we started looking at, and I'm going to go out there in a minute and show it to you. But what it does is it actually will go all the way to an STC 48. STC 48, yes, you heard me right. Almost to the point of having an 8-inch center block wall in the place where you have a window today. So how does it achieve it? It achieves it through a special frame where the window itself is actually deeper, and I'm going to show that to you in a minute, and then it uses some special glass. Okay, so we're looking at the window. This is the special STC window. Amsco makes it, they actually call it the Serenity series. Oh, what a great name. So it looks like a regular window from the outside, but if I turn it to the side here where you can see the depth on it, I want you to see how deep this is. So now this doesn't work in every home because it depends on how deep your walls are. So that's something that we'd want to check when we come out to your house. But this window is deeper, so it accommodates more glass. The greater that dead air space is, the more sound reduction you get out of a window. The more panes of glass, the more sound reduction you get out of a window. So this actually incorporates both, which is kind of cool. So if you notice here, it's basically two windows in one. Here is the first window. I open that. Oh, guess what? There's another window behind that one. I open this window. So now I've got, can you see, like come up here and look at this. Look at all these layers of sashes I've got. I got the outside, I've got the dead air space in the middle, I've got the inside. So if you think about it, between that outside pane of glass to the inside pane of glass here, from the outside surface, I've got almost 5 inches. I mean, lots of great dead air space. So this outside pane here, this is double pane, okay? We can get this offset glass and then put a single pane in here. This is single pane, okay? Because that does all your energy stuff out there. Then this, we want the most dead air space possible, so we bring it all the way to the front. And that gives me this good dead air space in the middle. So this is double pane here with offset glass, or we can get double pane with laminated glass. And then we can laminate again. So to achieve a 48, it's going to be laminated glass, special frame, dead air space. Oh, but man, is it worth it? If you can sleep at night and you haven't been able to rest well, you know, you can lose your job, right? Because you're not going to work on time. Wouldn't that be terrible? This way, at least, we can get you some peace of mind. Now, one of the things I like about dealing with Amsco and the Serenity series is that, guess what? They have the same colors in this special window as they do in all their regular windows. So, if you needed new windows for your home and getting rest was an issue, or just peace of mind, you don't have to spend this kind of money to put it in every room in the house. We could use this product where it's absolutely necessary, and then use their standard product, or we could use their standard product with the offset glass and the rest of the home. So there's a solution. You know, don't give up. Don't lose hope. Let us help. I really enjoyed our time together. I look forward to seeing you again real soon.